Do you have a cash value life insurance policy, but you've never accessed the cash value? Well, that's kind of like having a Ferrari in your garage and never driving it. Hi, I'm Olivia Kirk.
I'm Tim Urich. We're from Tier 1 Capital, and we're here to show you how to regain control of your money.
For the best advice on controlling your cash flow, be sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when we upload new videos every week. Did you know that every single cash value life insurance policy has something called a policy loan provision that allows you to have full liquidity, use, and control and access to that cash via a policy loan?
So the question remains, why would you want to use a policy loan? Why would you pay somebody to access your own money? Well, it's real simple. It isn't your own money that you're getting. You see, your money will continue to stay in the policy and grow on an uninterrupted compounding interest basis. The insurance company will use the equity in your policy and put a lien against it. They're going to give you a separate loan outside of your policy. So that means your policy, again, continues to grow, but now you have this extra loan, and now you can use it for whatever you want, whether it's to pay off a bill, to buy an asset, or just to go on a vacation.
So the next question is, who's showing you how to use this asset? Who's showing you how to utilize this tool in your financial game plan?
For the past 37 years, I can't tell you how many times people have come to my office and they show me their assets and they have these life insurance policies and they say, you know, my brother-in-law sold me this policy. He's probably ripping me off, but it's my wife's brother, so I did him a favor. And at the end of the day, what they don't realize, the best asset they ever owned is that life insurance policy. It takes a little education and becoming familiar with the ability or what you can do with that policy. But once we show them how to utilize that policy, they never go back, and they always want more life insurance rather than getting rid of what they thought was a bad asset.
So think about the assets that you own, whether it's a bank account, an investment account, real estate, or even an insurance policy. They were all purchased through a financial institution. But you see, financial institutions have rules, and those rules center around getting our money and keeping our money for as long as possible. But what if you were able to maintain full liquidity, use, and control of your money so that you're able to achieve your financial goals and still maintain that continuous compounding of interest that we all want so badly, so our money could be working for us instead of against us? Well, that's exactly what you get with the cash value life insurance policy. Full liquidity, use, and control, and access to achieve our financial goals.
You see, when you're accessing the cash value in your life insurance, you're following a simple law of nature. You see, in nature, everything has to flow. And when you're accessing your money is flowing. But when you leave your money somewhere, it is stagnating. And guess what? Wherever you left that money, that institution is earning interest on that money.
The key is to utilize your cash value, to utilize that policy loan provision, that contractual guarantee that allows you full liquidity, use, and control of your cash value, so that possibly maybe you could take that cash and invest it somewhere so you have the internal rate of return within your contract, as well as an external rate of return on an investment. Another option to utilize your policy cash value is to take a policy loan to repay debts, whether that's a high interest credit card or possibly some student loans. Once you take the policy loan, you now have free cash flow from the payments that were going to your credit cards or student loans that you could redirect back to your policy loan payment. And what that's going to do is rebuild and reestablish the equity in your policy so that you could access it again in the future. All the time, never interrupting the compound interest curve within your life insurance policy.
Where we can help you the most is to show you how to unlock this stagnant money, how to utilize this asset, how to drive this Ferrari as fast and as far as you want.
Leave us a comment down below. Let me know how you use your cash value within your policy, or if you've never accessed it before and have this Ferrari sitting in your garage. If you'd like to get started with our process, be sure to visit our website at tier1capital.com to get started today. We show people how to use cash value life insurance policies, whole life insurance policies designed for cash accumulation to achieve their short-term, long-term, and other financial goals. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks so much for watching our video. And remember, it's not how much money you make.
It's how much money you keep that really matters.